We're not just fighting pandemic, but panic and fear. Don't become a pawn of this and rather use your rationality to save your nationality. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. You're watching me on Wishlist and I am Wishlista Saxena. Today I am going to not raise any questions, but I want to discuss very important topic with all of you, and I thought that this is a very good platform for all of us to share awareness with each other. And this topic is lacking a lot of recognition right now, but it's prevailing everywhere. In India, it is 10 times prevailing more than any other part of the world, and that is gender-based violence. Now, gender-based violence is not a woman's issue, it is a humanity issue, because it can happen with any form of gender, any place, anytime, anywhere, with any one of us. And it is happening, but we don't want to recognize it. Gender-based violence is basically a form of violence that is directed to a person in their biological gender or sex, and that causes harm to them, maybe in different forms of violence. And that can be the intentional use of physical force or power, threatened or actual, against oneself, another person, or against a group of community, that either results in or has a high likelihood of resulting in injury, death, psychological harm, maldevelopment, or deprivation. This was stated by WHO in 1996. Another interesting fact about GBV is it has three forms. One is self-directed, the other interpersonal, and the third is collective. About once in every 5 minutes, an incident of domestic violence is recorded in India. As per some reports, 1.3 million people die every year around the world just because of gender-based violence. And still you think that this is something that we should hide or just suppress ourselves within? No guys, we have to raise our voice and take action against it, be in charge of our own action. First of all, like I've already talked, the most prevailing, and I think it's a favorite of households, because domestic violence is like चलता है यार, सहना पड़ता है, हमेशा का है. एक दो बार होता तो हम जाके शायद कंप्लेन कर लेते, बट ये तो हमेशा का है माता जी. Irrespective of its occurrence, being it once or twice, quarterly, monthly, halfly, whatever, you have to get out of it. You don't have to be in that situation. अगर आप सहेंगे, आपके बच्चे सहेंगे, और जब आप ये कहते हैं तो आप खुश हैं. क्या आप खुश हैं, जेन्युइनली खुश है कि ये हो रहा है मेरे साथ और मैं सह लूँगी इसे, और क्योंकि हमें सहना नहीं है, हम बस ये करना नहीं. Husbands that are prone to attack their wife under the influence of alcohol or stress or fear or whatever, you don't have to consider what is the reason behind, but what happened and how did you feel about it. What is the result at the end is what matters. Exactly, right? And you don't have to go through it, you don't have to face that result, is what I want to say. And I hope you take my words really seriously. Exactly because of this, I have a self-test, and I urge all of you to go through the self-test that I would guide you through in 2 minutes. Before, I just want to clear you out about the different forms of GBV so that you have a greater understanding and recognize it as fast as possible. Sexual assault, rape, forced marriage, sex-selective abortion, denial of resources, people like education, healthcare, not allowing you to use the contraceptive pills, property, taking away your earnings. All these are covered under where you are denied of your own resources. And last but not the least, psychological and emotional abuse, the verbal abuses, harassment, stalking, remarks, threats of physical and sexual nature, and so on. Well, I have covered most of the important and most prevailing forms of GBV, but if in case you find any other, please do comment and spread the message, and let's all fight against it. And another important term, interesting term of GBV is intimate terrorism. Now, these two words I think is self-explanatory of what exactly GBV is. Just try and ask one question to yourself, like, why do you have to go through that? Why do you have to be under that influence? People, when you are scrolling through the feed on Instagram, Facebook, or anywhere, and you go through such emotional messages, tap if you love your mom, or tap if you're missing your family, that is not enough. Take action. If you see that your people are suffering and you want to help them, you love them, then do something for them. A tapping on a feed or sharing a like is not going to help them in any way. You have the resources. I have placed in front of you an understanding of what exactly is GBV and its different forms. I have placed a self-test. I have placed in description the hotline numbers. I want you to do something. I want you to do something for yourself as well. Because people, help yourself before you help someone else. And yes, and help people around you and your lovely people, your family, your near and dear ones. In humanitarian crisis, these kind of violences only grow more and become acute. So now is the time that we take action. Physical and mental health is drained. You have to go through post-traumatic stress disorder, the depression, sleepless nights. One of the greatest myths is that gender-based violence is only noticed in rural parts of the country, but reality being that the middle class and the rich women are not immune to it. Make peace with your body, your mind, and just try and take deep breath and be able to do the right thing for yourself. Now here is the self-test on your screens, which you can see, and I want you all to go through and answer each question rightfully, mindfully, and know where you stand, because that is what we should know about ourselves. Alright, kudos guys for answering those questions, and if you feel that you have been under the influence of GBV, then look out for the focal point of support as soon as possible. Now I'm also happy to announce that I am working with an NGO called Rubaru, which is looking for social media activists in order to counter fake news, fight communalism and psychological issues, and spread positive news. So I have mentioned the link in my description. Please fill in the form if you want to join, and they'll get in touch with you. And do share the awareness with people. Until then, I am Vishishta Saxena signing off. Stay awesome, stay amazed, and